Sun Moon Urban Hotel, which is on Street 136. So right now I'm on Street 13 and Street 36 intersection. This Smile convenience store is open 24 hours. So we're gonna have a look at what's around the Sun Moon Urban Hotel and why it's a good choice for you to stay in. Well, it's in a great location, as you see. If you want to be in the prime red light district location or hostess bar location, Street 136, and you're near Riverside as well. It's a great option for you to stay in. There's lots of hotels on this street, but I say the Sun Moon is the best. But it is the most expensive, so you have a laundry shop right here. Get your laundry done. And you also have a few hostess bars right beside the hotel. You got the Pixie Bar. And you got the Sweet Lemon 2 Bar. And you got this, I think it's like a karaoke bar. Oh, the Abbey Cafe, I don't know. It's like, probably like karaoke style bar. Good. Got a massage shop right here too. No, not right now. Not with you. It's a good restaurant right here as well. Sarah's Fork and Spoon. Queen Wood Fork and Spoon Skybar Hotel right here. Another option. There's also a convenience store right across from the Sun Moon Urban Hotel. Seasons convenience store. I think it's closed at 10 or no, actually 12. I think midnight it closes, so it's very convenient as well. So here it is, the Sun Moon Urban Hotel on Street 136. Now I'm going to show you the rooftop pool, plus the gym, plus the spa, and my deluxe room that I'm staying in. Alright. It's like a maze up here. Sometimes it's hard to find your room when you had a few too many drinks. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's kind of cool actually. Got a key card here, so they give you 2 key cards, which is convenient. You keep one key card in the room, and you can keep the other one in your wallet. Spa open from 8 to 10?
Yeah. And then for the massage, we open 10 to 10. And inside for the Turkish room massage, oil massage, we have the
Oh, okay.
2 bed.
Oh, okay. Oh, peaceful. Relaxing.
Inside the traditional massage.
Oh, that's the prayer room. Okay.
Yes, and 3 bed.
Oh, yeah. There's more here. Okay. There.
Yeah, this one here. We have the steam and sauna. For this one, locker for the gas. Power, big and small. And jacuzzi, this is the water or the hot.
Oh,
Sauna and city.
that's awesome. I have to do that today.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Oh, yeah, this is nice. Definitely going here today. I should go in now. This is cold water?
Yes, cold water.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go here after I go swimming. Thank you for your service.
Yeah. The upstairs very cold and cheap.
Yeah, I was there yesterday. It's really nice. I'm gonna go there now. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. There you have it. That was the spa. That's the spa VIP lounge. That side's for men, he told me so. The Cloud9 Skybar Infinity Pool Gym. This elevator's quite fast, so that's good. Alright. Here we are. There's no one up here. Hardly anybody. That's good. This is it. Beautiful infinity pool. Oh, looks great. Street 136 right there. You can see, when you're in the pool, you can see the candy bar sign. Chairs over here. Here's the Skybar, Cloud9 Skybar. That's draft beer, Tiger beer, Anchor beer on tap. Some nice views, that's for sure. Riverside views. It's the entire city of Phnom Penh. Looks really nice in the evening. You got all this blue fluorescent lighting up here. So, we'll have a look at that as well. Evening time views. It's a clean wood hotel right across. They got a small little pool there. Didn't know they had a pool. Let's go check out the gym. Hello. How are you? Good. How much for the beers? Do you have any? What's the happy hour? When do you have happy hour?
Happy hour only at 5 p.m.
Oh, 5. Oh, for how much is the beer?
For
Yeah.
a glass, $3.
How much? $3 for a pint? For a glass?
For a glass.
For a glass. Okay. $3, eh? Got the menu. It's not the cheapest, that's for sure. Plus you're paying service charge on top of this. So it's not that cheap, but they have good food here, I know that. Good food, but not the cheapest. You got everything here. Taco shell. Looks pretty good. The Thai. That's good. Thank you. Oh my god. Did you see the reflection? Day of Slam, man.
How you doing?
How you doing, man? Here's the gym. Go check it out. Hello. How are you? Good, thanks. Just gonna check out the gym here. Here's the gym. Get a nice view as you're working out. I like that. Some newer equipment, Life Fitness equipment. It's clean. You get water and towels. Treadmills. It's great. There you have it. So it's a gym. It's a good gym. If you're here for a week or less, it's perfect. So there you have it. Cloud9 Skybar, infinity pool, and the gym at the Sun Moon Urban Hotel. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Pattaya Slam Man. I will appreciate it. Enjoy your life. Cheers.